The fundamental of sales in 11 episodes. Introduction. Sales is a crucial aspect of any business, as it is the process of convincing someone to buy a product or service. It requires a combination of skills, including communication, persuasion, and relationship building. In this article, we will explore the fundamental principles of sales in 11 episodes. Episode 1: Know your product. The first step in sales is to know your product or service inside and out. This includes understanding its features, benefits, and unique selling points. You should be able to answer any questions a potential customer may have about your product, and be able to explain how it can solve their problems or meet their needs. Episode 2: Know your customer. Knowing your customer is just as important as knowing your product. You should research your target audience to understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. This will allow you to tailor your sales pitch to their specific needs and interests. Episode 3: Build rapport. Building rapport with your potential customer is essential in sales. People are more likely to buy from someone they like and trust. You can build rapport by finding common ground, asking open-ended questions, and actively listening to their responses. Episode 4: Address objections. Objections are a natural part of the sales process. It's important to address them head-on and provide solutions to any concerns the customer may have. This can include providing additional information, offering a trial period, or addressing any misconceptions they may have about your product. Episode 5: Create urgency. Creating a sense of urgency can help motivate potential customers to make a purchase. This can include limited time offers, discounts, or highlighting the benefits of acting quickly. Episode 6: Use social proof. Social proof is the idea that people are more likely to do something if they see others doing it. You can use social proof in sales by highlighting customer testimonials, case studies, or statistics that demonstrate the effectiveness of your product. Episode 7: Focus on benefits, not features. While it's important to know the features of your product, it's even more important to focus on the benefits it provides to the customer. This can include time savings, increased productivity, or improved quality of life. Episode 8: Listen more than you talk. Active listening is an important skill in sales. By listening to your potential customer, you can better understand their needs and tailor your sales pitch accordingly. It also shows that you value their input and are interested in helping them find a solution. Episode 9: Follow up. Following up with potential customers is essential in sales. It shows that you are committed to helping them find a solution and can help keep your product top of mind. This can include sending a personalized email, making a phone call, or even sending a handwritten note. Episode 10: Be persistent. Persistence is key in sales. It's important to follow up with potential customers multiple times, as it can take several interactions to close a sale. However, it's important to balance persistence with respect for the customer's time and preferences. Episode 11: Continuously improve. Finally, it's important to continuously improve your sales skills. This can include seeking feedback from customers, attending sales training workshops, or reading sales books and articles. By constantly learning and growing, you can become a more effective salesperson and help your business thrive. In conclusion, sales is a complex process that requires a combination of skills and strategies. By following these fundamental principles, you can become a more effective salesperson and help your business succeed. Remember to know your product and customer, build rapport, address objections, create urgency, use social proof, focus on benefits, listen more than you talk, follow up, be persistent, and continuously improve. To be continued. Go to the channel playlists. Episode 1 to 11 Steps to Know Your Product in Sales.